Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless module, wireless WAN module if installed, display panel assembly, hinge covers, and display cover. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Carefully peel back the metallic tape that secures the wireless antenna transceivers to the display panel. Partially remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure to gain access to the wireless antennas. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel and tape on the display enclosure. Important: make careful note of the placement of the wireless antenna transceivers for later replacement. Using a non-conductive flat-bladed tool, remove the wireless antenna transceivers from the display enclosure. Remove the wireless antenna cables. Replacement. Place the wireless antenna transceivers into position on the display enclosure. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel and tape on the display enclosure. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure. Carefully adhere the metallic tape that secures the wireless antenna transceivers to the display panel.